Hello, I'm Victoria, and this is the game I called named Depths of Ink. It is a click and point video game based on a character who got stuck in a world she's not supposed to be in. You can follow her around, talk to characters, and do other stuff similar to that. To use the talking code, what works is either an event happens, like starting the game, or you click on a sprite, which will then send a code to put the dialogue on the screen. It'll then ask you if you want a tutorial. The code looks like this. It has an if-then statement. If you don't want it, it just doesn't. If you do want it, it starts the tutorial. And if you put neither yes or no, it'll just prompt you to ask again. Then after you've done all that, or haven't, you get to walk around, and the code looks like this. The reason why it looks so complex for doing practically nothing is so you can have the walk cycle, and so you can equip this feature, which I'll talk about later on in the game. Another thing you can do is interact with items. So what happens is you click it, it'll ask if you want to either enter it, or in most cases pick it up, in this case enter, and then it'll do that. Then you got the talking to characters, which I already went over. Another way to pick up items, ask if you want to, you say yes, and you do. You can also inspect items like this, or like this. Then this is just another way to leave, which relies on codes that says if you're close enough to it, it'll give you the prompt, and then when you click it, it'll let you outside. These two backgrounds you see right here are both hand-painted by myself, because to make it feel more original. You got more characters to talk to. Maybe you didn't heed the warning, so it'll give you the warning again, but it will not give you it a second time. So you equip the feature, and then you can get a different prompt. Then there's also the library, which is also hand-drawn. You got another sprite, which this person can give you a task if you don't meet any of the features over here. Another things you can do, you can pick up this book, and then you can equip it and ask about it. The way that works is you gotta add it to the inventory list, which is right here, and then once you give it an answer that makes sense to it, it'll equip it, and you'll see that result come out in this variable right here. A similar feature includes the chest, which has a predetermined set of items, which is right here. In either cases, if you do not put an answer that makes sense, it'll often just put nothing instead, so you can't just equip random objects. And those are the basics without wasting too much time. Thank you for listening. This was Ava Terrio.